Okay. Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Now let me ask you few questions. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Let me ask you few questions. First of all, does your school hold meetings
Yes, ma'am.
with parents, with teachers,
Yes, ma'am.
with class leaders?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Where will they happen? spoke about the policies and laws, right? So from that, can you derive the role of a parliament? What does it do? Any idea? No? I said it makes laws and policies. Right? So can we put that into the role of a parliament? So parliament is the highest law making body in the country. Okay? Can you note it down? Law making. Yeah, write in your notes. Faster. Law making. So in law making, what does the parliament do? What does it do? Okay, first of all, why do we need a law? Tell me, why do we need a policy? Any idea? Why do we need? Yeah, please.
To make a better society.
Very good. To make a better society. Everyone should answer, okay? To make a better society for us. Okay, we need a law for peace. The country should go in an order, and the people of India should live in a peace and content manner. Right? Okay, can you give me an example of a policy? Anything?
In our state, Aragyasri.
Yes, Aragyasri. Very nice. And any more in the country level? Anything, at least one. You said you have the habit of reading newspaper, right? Anything, any one law, any one bill, or what? Any one of you, other than her? No? Right to education. Do you know that? Huh? How you know fundamental rights, right? How many fundamental rights we have? Okay, 7. Okay. Right to education is the act. Right to free and compulsory education is the act which is passed in 2009 for the age of the children 6 to 14 to get a free and compulsory education. You have right all the government schools and high schools. Okay, will they pay a fee? No. They get free food? Will they get free uniform? They get free shoes? Everything they'll get free, right? Okay, those all are the provisions provided by the government in order to encourage the children for this thing. Okay, so this is one act. So that motivates many of the children to go into the school, to study properly, and to pursue proper education. Okay. And any other act? Any law making?
On marriages, girls should not marry up to 18 years.
Yes.
Huh?
Huh?
Childhood marriage.
Child marriage is prohibited, right? Very good. Please clap for her. Actually, they were very nice point. Okay. So, why the girls should not marry before the age of 18? Do you know? Okay. Because I tell you. You know? No. Okay. Okay. You know, girls should not. It is illegal if the girls, if child marriage is there. Okay, child marriage is happening. You know why? Because before the age of 18, girls will not be, their organs will not be developed properly and they will have more health conditions. Okay? So, the government said strictly that girls should not marry before the age of 18. Okay? So, this is one better act which empowers the girl child. That means which makes the girl child to study better, to have a better childhood, better and happy childhood. Okay? So that is one law. So now the role of parliament is law making. You know what they will do in the parliament? Our member of parliaments. Who elects the member of the parliament? Who elects? People. Very good. So India is a democratic nation. Have you heard of democracy? Okay. Can you define democracy? Any of you? What is democracy? Okay. One great man. Have you heard of Abraham Lincoln? Mr. Abraham Lincoln. Who is it? He was the president of United States of America. You know what he said of democracy? Okay. Democracy. Define democracy. Any one of you? No? Okay. Mr. Abraham Lincoln said democracy is for the people, by the people and of the people. Okay? So it's all about people. Okay? So people are the highest policy makers, decision makers in a democratic nation. That means how do people act as the highest decision makers? How? Just guess.
While elections, people can vote for the leader.
Yes, very good. Your name? Jayashree. Very good, Jayashree. So, people will elect our representatives, right? We are the one. Your father and mother will go and vote, right? For every 5 years, right? For MLA vote, for constituencies and for the MPs, right? So, we are the ones who select our leaders, and they will represent us in a parliament house, and then they will speak on behalf of us. Okay? So, people are considered as the highest decision makers. They have the supreme power either to elect or de-elect the leaders. Okay? If you do not want our Prime Minister, you do not elect him, right? And you elect some other person. So that person will sit in the chair of the Prime Minister, right? So it's like this. So people have that ultimate power either to remove or to put any leader. Okay? So it is law making. So in the Parliament House, our leaders, the member of Parliament, which includes the ministers and Prime Minister. Okay? They will sit, they will make the laws and policies, and they will implement us. They will pass, passing of a bill. Okay. A bill will be passed when there, for example, let us talk about a law on forests. Okay. When deforestation is happening more, so they will say protection of forests. Let us say that either pass for a traffic rules or a forest. Okay. So they will come to a conclusion what and all we have to do and what and all we should not do, and they will pass it as an act, as a bill. Okay. So the bill will be passed in a parliament. All MPs, either some of them will oppose and some of them will propose. Okay, some of them will encourage. So the bill will be passed, and again in the parliament, the bill and when they approve and everyone approve, then it comes into an act and it will be implemented or executed. Right? So role of the parliament is main For example, in our state, Jagannath Vidya Kanika. Do you know that? I think all of you know that, right? Jagannath Vidya Kanika in Andhra Pradesh. He is giving some amount for your education. For a year, some 15,000 or something, right? So those all are the incentives they will provide. So it will see on financial functions. Please write it down. And then financial functions. Please write. And then the third one. Okay. Does your school principal will monitor each and every teacher and how they are teaching? They will ask that you also, right? Whether the teacher is teaching good or not. Yes, your principal may ask about us too. Whether those teachers are teaching well or not. Do you understand well everything? So just like that, our parliament also monitor the cabinet. Do you know what is cabinet? Any one of you heard about the cabinet? At least in news or newspaper. Cabinet. In Telugu, okay, I say Kendra Mandali. Any one of you? Sasana Mandali or Kendra Mandali? Council. Those words, no? Okay. Cabinet is a government that consists the ministers and prime minister at the central level and the ministers and the chief ministers at the state level. Okay. So that cabinet, you don't have all the member of parliaments in the cabinet, but only selected people who are the ministers, right? You have finance minister, right? You have who is our finance minister? Who is our finance minister? Central finance minister. She is a lady.
Nirmala Sitharaman.
Yes, very good. Nirmala Sitharaman. Both of you answered earlier. Katyayani and Jayashree, right? I want answers from rest of you. Okay, please answer. Please be active. Okay, don't be afraid. So Nirmala Sitharaman. Yeah. Who is our home minister? Home minister. He is a man, big fat man.
Arvind Kejriwal.
Kejriwal. No, Kejriwal is chief minister of Delhi. Okay, he is not in a central cabinet. Any one of you? A bald-headed, big fat man. Amit Shah. Mr. Amit Shah is our home minister. Okay? And our prime minister?
Narendra Modi.
Yeah. Yeah, I know every one of you know that. Narendra Modi. So, prime minister, home, finance, defense, all the ministries. Women empowerment, law, education. Where does the education will get under? Go under. Huh? HRD. Have you heard of HRD? Human Resource Development. So human resource development minister, all the ministers, every minister will take care of each section. Okay, defense minister will take care of the armed forces, means military forces. Okay, navy, army, and air force. So just like the home minister will take care of the home affairs, means the police service, everything. So just like that, finance will take care of the budget, union budget. Okay, budget means the amount of money, the fundings, everything. So these all ministries will come under the cabinet, and the parliament will take care of the working of the cabinet. I will give you 2 minutes. Okay? You people have to write about the functions of an assembly. Who and all will sit, who and all will be there, the damages and analysis and the roles. Okay? And you people should write about the parallel differences. And if you find any differences, please write. We'll discuss in the class. Okay? Write all together. All your ideas should be shared. Discuss among yourself and all. Parliament and assembly. 2 minutes. Discuss yourself, give your ideas to her, okay? Parliament. Okay, that means central parliament. We are talking about it now, right? One of you should write and all of you should share your ideas with us. Okay? Tell her about your idea. She will write. Who is going to write in this Katyayani? Okay. Let's write. Right. Fine. Write fast. No, you should also write what is called function. Not needed. Write function. See and compare it. Those are the policies. Okay? Done? Good idea. What's your name? Harika. Okay, Harika, please stand first.
Am I will speak
Don't know. What is the work I gave you first? On which topic? On legislative assembly, right? Okay.
Am I will speak up and discuss about the law
Okay, first of all, legislative assembly is for the state. For each and every state. Okay, at state level. Then,
which was good to people
which was?
good to people for elections.
Which is good. People will elect the MLAs in their own constituencies. MLAs.
Financial Minister of the state will discuss about the state policies.
Okay, finance minister and all the ministers will discuss about state policies, and finance minister
education like Amavadi Patham, Rise Bharosa.
Those all are actually for the state. But yeah, at central level also, farmers, acts for farmers, there are separate bills. And women empowerment, those all.
Education about women's.
About education of all over the country. And those all.
It will be passed all over the world.
Okay. In the country, not in the world, but for the country. Okay, very good. Okay, you have done really well. All of you tried really well. And now let us recall the lesson once. Okay, please answer. Okay, what is a parliament? Define parliament. One of you. I said in the class already.
Parliament is making law.
Is a law making body.
Law making body of the
Okay, in the country in which member of parliament they'll sit and they'll make the laws. Okay, and the role of the parliament, 5 points. First, anyone can say, not you. Any other than that, they are on the board.
Law making, financial functions,
Don't see. Just
monitoring the cabinet, monitoring the cabinet, judicial functions,
judicial function.
judicial functions, and maintaining the peace.
Okay, very good. Maintaining the peace. Okay, and can you say something? Who is MP? What is the MP? Define MP.
Member of Parliament.
Member of parliament. Very good. MLA.
Member of Legislative Assembly.
Yes, very good. Okay, thank you. All have you really tried well and you have answered well. But I want more answers from all of you. Okay, so please be interactive in the next class and we'll meet again tomorrow.